Apprenticeships combine on-the-job training with traditional classroom learning. This method is popular in the skilled trades like plumbing, carpentry, and machinery. Programs typically last anywhere from 2 to 6 years. Employers and trade unions often sponsor and pay for these programs, and trainees make money while they learn. Some programs are regulated by both state and federal laws that mandate the number of required hours and other features of the apprenticeship. On-the-job training is one of the few methods that checks all the boxes. It provides meaningful opportunities to observe, interact, practice, and get feedback. Because trainees learn in the actual work environment using actual tools and equipment, transfer is more likely. Plus, training can be adjusted to meet individuals' needs and can be offered on the spot at any time. It can also be used with employees at all levels and is especially useful for cross-training and onboarding new hires. However, on-the-job training may be inconsistent as different managers have different ways of teaching their employees. And they can pass on their bad habits and misperceptions, both of which are difficult to unlearn. For these reasons, it's best to standardize OJT programs and provide some consistency. Teach managers how to be trainers and provide them with necessary supports and training materials.